This Remax of Hot Springs Village property video is presented by Clem. Cute updated 3-bedroom 2-bath home with lots of privacy. New roof in 2019. New deck, water heater, all new appliances, air conditioner, air duct and HVAC unit cleaning and UV light installation in 2020. New water line meter installed in 2022. New laminate flooring in 2020. New electrical and plumbing lines in 2020. Come check out and you will fall in love. For more information, review the details below or contact Clem at 501-620-6163.